Good afternoon, guys. I'm out doing a couple of reviews today. I'm doing a review of the Naturehike Snowbird -7 XL for long people. Stuck down, 650 fill power, 1000 grams of down. I've had the sleeping bag for 6 months, used it in winter time. I think it says it's rated to minus, is it 30 or 20 or something, right? Sometimes you do get sleeping bags and the rating, the comfort rating says minus whatever, right? Like I've got a cheap, really cheap down one, and I've always been cold in it, but I can say I've used this at -3, super warm inside it. The only other sleeping bag that I'll say that I found as warm as my Rab. My Rab's 3 times the price. So, as I said, it comes with that bag. It comes with a big mesh storage bag, because you don't want to leave your down sleeping bag in the compression sack. You want to air it in the mesh sack. So, let's get to the sleeping bag and I'll give you a closer look. So we'll let it the down. We'll let the down fluff up. So we'll give it a couple of minutes to fluff up. At the moment it's already fluffing up. Look. So give it a couple of minutes and I'll bring you back. So there's the ratings. I do apologise. I think I said -20. Right, it's -7 and at risk it's -35. To be honest, I wouldn't use it at -35. Not this one. Right, it is a super comfy bag, right? It's got the pull drawstring, it's got the baffles. Sorry, where is the baffles again? Yeah, so it's got the baffle for your neck. Look, goes around your neck, keeps all the heat in the bag. Honestly, never been cold in the bag, but I've never used it to -7. Most I used it to was -2, -3, I think. Super. It's quite wide as well. So I'll show you me inside the bag. Right, just for people that's never watched, I'm 6'3". I'm over 18.5 stone. Pretty chunky, so if I can fit in it, I'm sure anybody can fit inside the bag. Right, so oh yes. Tons of room, honestly, tons and tons. Ah. So, good night guys. I'm only joking. I'm still alive. So, if you would like the sleeping bag, it's from camperslist.com. I'll put a link below. I'll put a link in the comments as well for anybody that's interested in the sleeping bag. For the money, honestly, you can't go wrong for a winter sleeping bag. There probably is cheaper ones on eBay, but I can definitely say I got a cheap one years and years ago, and I used it in winter conditions and I was cold. That one, honestly, it is what it says on the packet. So, thank you for watching. If you could, please give the video a thumbs up, please subscribe, please comment, but most of all, thanks for watching. Thank you.